This is standard balcony 10281 on the Carnival Panorama. It's made up with a king-size bed, and it's just a standard Carnival balcony. When you come in the door, you have your light switch, and you need a card to operate your lights. Come over here. This is the bathroom light switch. This is the thermostat for the air and the heat. You have a couch, a couple of pillows, beautiful picture. Over here, you have a night table with a lamp, and there's no USB plug in this to recharge your phone. On the other side is another lamp, and it also doesn't have a plug. There is a switch right there, if you see it, that turns the lights on and off from the bed. You do get like a little coffee table with your room. Following over, there's your television. Here's a dressing table, glasses. You get a European plug. You get 2 American plugs, and you get 2 USB plugs. And there's your phone. There's a shelf. You get 3 shelves here in this corner. Moving on, here's the closet. You get shelves, and you get drawers in this closet. Moving to the next closet. This has both hanging and a shelf, but the shelf is adjustable. You can move the shelf up, and then you could have additional hanging down below. But that's your choice. Third closet is for all hanging stuff. And I mean, obviously, if you want, you can put your suitcases down here. All kinds of hangers, plus somebody left me some extra hangers. And you got like a full-length mirror here too for getting dressed. Okay, now we'll make our way out to the balcony. Go past here. There's be a lot of room right here. You get through easily. And then there's a look at that other light. And there's the end table. And there's that switch I was telling you about where you can turn the lights on and off from the bed. You got these dark out drapes. Out here's the balcony. You unlock it. Up here's the lock. You got to step over. And then there's 2 chairs out here and a table. It's not a huge balcony, but it's enough to get out and sit on. And it comes over to this wall. And there's the terminal at Long Beach. And the bridge that you walk on. Or the gangway, I guess it is. The gangway you walk to get onto the ship. And it comes here, curves here, and ends up over here. Now we're going to go in, we'll do the bathroom. Okay, after coming in from the balcony, here's a good shot of the whole room from this side. And now I'll go on to the bathroom. Okay, so here's the bathroom. And again, there's the switch to turn the lights on and off. Typical Carnival bathroom. You got your shower curtain. They do give you a grab bar in the shower. There's your toilet. Another grab bar. And then you get shelves in the corner. There's 3 shelves over on that side. Here's your sink. And there's 3 shelves on this side. So you don't have to fight over shelves. Huh? And then there's Kleenex and other places over here. Is another bar, grab bar. And then remember, when you come in, there's a step here at the threshold, so be careful. So this is a standard balcony room on Carnival Panorama. There's your safe. If you notice, the light came on automatically when you open the door. See? This is standard balcony 10281 on the Carnival Panorama. Okay. Next, we're going to move out to the balcony.